Okay, hello guys, and today we're playing Bed Wars. Yeah, Bed Wars.
No. GG's, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
come
an
on.
Xbox. Yeah, Ian Xbox. Wait, hello? Can you hear me?
Yes,
I think you're on the laptop.
yes, I can hear you. Okay, let's start the game.
Hello, guys.
Let's start the game.
Okay, now we're in.
Also, I made the generators very fast so that we can end this faster than ever. We can attack anytime, Elijah. That's the rule.
Okay,
But we're not allowed to break the bed.
Yeah, not yet. Until it says that where the bed is broken. Did I rather flex on you that I have emeralds, yeah, emeralds.
Emeralds don't spawn fast because I don't want to.
Oh, emerald blocks.
No breaking the bed. That's the rule.
Oh man, I'm already out.
You don't need to put armor in your bed. I will kill you now, Elijah.
Oh,
I am coming. I am not kidding.
I don't have armor, bro.
Same.
No,
I got iron armor.
I have already iron armor, bro. I know what feeling
Elijah! Give me iron. Give. Let's go! Yahoo! Let's go. Let's go. Go down. Go down, go down, go down. I will now retreat.
Oh,
Where are you?
give me more. Oh no, I drop a new Bugatti. Yeah, I drop a new Bugatti. Yeah. Holy mac and cheese.
I think it's time for me to leave. Now I will upgrade.
Oh yeah, I don't like that biscuit. I'm so scared now in the beach.
Go down, go down.
I'm scared.
I said go
I
down.
don't want to jump.
Go down. How do you forge?
I will not.
How do you get the forge thingy? Oh yeah, I need to buy something. I need to buy something.
I need to buy something very nice.
Elijah, you're going down.
Bro, I almost killed you, bro.
Yes, you did. I was like half health. I think. I don't know.
Bro, get out of the world, bro.
Yeah, because I shot you with the arrow.
No. No. Oh, yeah. Shut me right with the arrow.
Okay, now it's time to go to the other. I swear, if you shoot me with the arrow, I will literally kill you like 100 times.
Oh, no. 7 health. Oh, no. I hate this.
What happened? Oh, you think I
So there, bro.
Oh,
Oh. Skip
skippity. Let's go. Thank you. Why were you so low? Why were you half health? Hey, stop pointing that sniper at me. Yes. If you He has a sniper.
Yeah, I'm going to go right now.
Okay. Finally, Iron Era. Ooh,
Drop
12.
this. Let's hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo. No. Oh, what? Right here,
I will destroy you. No, for real. Okay.
oh man.
Mhm.
Okay, Tori going to switch things. Okay, I'm right. Yes, right now. Now I'm not ready at all.
I think I have enough blocks for this. No! I almost died. Oh, I'm so low. I'm so low. I'm so low. No, 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 no. Tell of the world?
Yeah, bro, I was trying to get diamonds.
Okay.
Bro, I'm already so low right now. I'm already in one, bro.
Where are you though?
In my base,
Okay.
collecting irons.
Okay, okay.
Because I went up from the world and then I just fell.
Okay.
Bro, those two, bro, my favorite food program right now.
I will be so OP when you get here.
I
Never underestimate me, or else you'll get nuked.
Joe, I wasn't ready right now. Where do I commit this? Oh, you're not cool, bro. Oh, why? Why all the time I have, bro? Bro, all the time I have to like.
Yes! Yes, die!
Oh no.
It's time for me to go down.
Oh my god, fell off the world! No! Hurry up!
Huh? I didn't get any fall damage. What? You fall down? You fell down?
I just fell.
You you think you think you think you can fool me? The diamond dude just killed you. The diamond dude just killed you. Huh? I saw something fell down. Whoa, what?
I'm really in pain right now. But I'm actually telling the truth.
Okay, now I will go back.
But I'm actually in pain right now.
You are so lucky I spared you today.
Bro, I'm nervous in pain.
Yes, sir, Diamond Era.
Bro, I didn't ready to do it.
I will get more diamonds. I'll get more emerald.
Why is my emerald?
I still have an iron sword, you know.
Fine. Oh my goodness.
Let's go, actually hit. You think I can't see you? No! You will not shoot me this time. Oh! How are you hitting me?
I'm having aimbots. Joke, because I don't have aimbots. I mean Xbox. How can you get aimbots in Xbox?
Yes, you can. You're so low, Elijah. You're so low. Are you so low, Elijah? You're so low. You're so low, Elijah. You're so low.
Oh, bitch.
Elijah. Good.
No, diamond gold cannot get me.
Sure about that?
Oh, oh, no. Oh, oh, I see you, I see you.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Aim, 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 aim.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Oh,
You suck.
Joe, sticking right to the wall, bro. Sticking on the wall.
Time to make my way. Oh, you actually hit me. Oh, you actually hit me again. Oh no!
Yeah.
Girl.
Like that.
Oh,
That's
I
how
am.
it feels like.
I am warning you. You should have not killed me. You are so dead. Do I even have blocks? Where are you, Elijah? Where are you?
Bro, what are you doing my place?
Now I have finally diamond sword. Let's go. I will now protect my.
Oh god. Oh my goodness. Why do you have to be outside?
Oh, I almost died because of this diamond dude. How weak. Oh, Titan boss gonna spawn. Titan boss is gonna spawn. Where is Titan boss?
Wait, anime not getting those bombs. Oh, you're going to boss directly. I will not get them. Oh! Oh!
How can I sneak up on you?
Joe, you forgot that I can actually see you, bro.
I thought I was a block.
Yeah, you just turned into a block and then I saw you, bro. Bro, my fear just destroyed you so badly, bro. You see, you should not try to destroy my place, bro.
How many emeralds you got? Oh! What? You were there?
Yeah, I was there, bro.
I didn't see
I got
you.
20 emeralds. Thank you for giving me 20 emeralds, bro.
For real?
And by the way,
For real?
yeah, give me 20 emeralds.
Where are you right now?
I'm in the office, bro.
Where are you? Come here.
Oh.
I will take my emeralds back. Yes. Thank you.
Oh, man, bro. Mom still need that.
Thank you. Whee! I wanna fight. Wanna fight? Come, come, come. Come here. 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 I told you should have just got diamond armor with that money.
But I don't have diamonds.
Yeah, you should have just upgrade.
Wait,
So no, your IQ's negative.
one.
What should I buy?
Okay, so, you're going to be so dead right now.
Oh, you're so dead. Oh, you're so dead with my 12 fireballs.
Oh, no.
Oh, you're so dead with my bow.
1 and 2. Wait! Why you have to be up there? I'm on the wrong. Bro. Oh no! 7.
You suck. Do I have blocks? No, I don't have blocks. Amazing.
I don't have blocks too. 4.
Oh, chill. I live 2 blocks. Amazing. I just wasted it. See you later.
Bro, my hands are shaking right now.
Why?
Because of here, bro. 7.
What's wrong? I will definitely not attack you from above. Oh, you are so dead with my 106. Just kidding, no. 176 blocks. Where are you? Hey, hey! Oh, you think I'm there? You think I'm there? You didn't even damage me.
No, I see you. Got it.
You're so dead. Let's go!
Bro, I died from a mob, bro.
Wait, what do you mean disabled? I'm disabled?
Disabled what?
My screen said I'm disabled. I'm half health, you know. Uh-oh. I think it's time for you to die.
Oh yeah, I have that much.
You know? I think it's time for you to die. Don't mind looking out of your door like 100 cannonballs coming at you. Fight me, Elijah, fight me. Fight me. Oh no, 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 no.
Wait, friend me or video.
Yes, sir. You almost hit me. Oh no, bro. I had the emerald sword. Bro. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Goodbye. Like and sub. Yes, like and sub.